Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best exercise bike in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is YOSUDA Indoor Cycling Bike. If you're not looking to spend a lot of money and don't require fancy screens, apps, and connectivity, this indoor cycling bike is an affordable option. While it is quite basic compared to high-end models, this simple and sturdy spin bike provides a very effective workout. It has a 35 pounds weighted flywheel with an infinite range of friction resistance to suit any exercise intensity. Its upright style requires an athletic body position, and it offers a large range of seat and handlebar height adjustments to fit riders of varying user heights. The padded seat is comfortable, and the large handlebar offers numerous hand placement options. The LCD display is basic but functional, showing one workout metric at a time. Below the console is a device holder, so you can place a tablet or phone for viewing while you ride. The biggest drawback to this cycling bike is its lack of connectivity. You can follow along with some workouts, but the bike doesn't integrate with any apps the way higher-end bikes do. That said, it costs a fraction of the price, and it provides a great workout as long as you don't require app integration to get and keep you motivated. Simple yet effective, it is a quality option that won't break the bank. Number 2. Our second best pick is Schwinn Fitness Indoor Cycling Exercise Bike. It offers a quality connected spin bike experience without the high-end price tag of the competition. A top-ranked model in our budget exercise bike review, the IC4 is more of a value proposition when compared to the screen-equipped competition. This bike does not come with a fancy touch screen, so you will need your own tablet or phone to use RENPHO or third-party apps like Peloton and Zwift, subscriptions required, but otherwise, this bike performs roughly on par with the more expensive models. It has a sturdy feel with 100 levels of quiet magnetic resistance. It uses Bluetooth to connect to your device to use the RENPHO app, and it has a device holder to keep your screen in view while you ride. We found that the speed and distance readings on the bike's console were higher than they should have been, but this is only a problem if you base your workouts on those metrics. Beyond these inaccuracies, we feel the IC4 is a reasonably priced connected bike that can get you into the studio and virtual cycling scene without breaking the bank. Number 3. Our third best pick is NordicTrack Commercial Studio Cycle. If you want to ride at home and don't love the studio-style classes offered by the competition, check out this studio cycle. This commercial-quality spin bike has 24 levels of smooth, silent magnetic resistance, providing a huge range of difficulty, along with the unique ability to adjust incline and decline between 20 and 10% to simulate the feel of real-world riding. The 22-inch swiveling touchscreen has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and it seamlessly integrates with the iFit app. While it does include a good selection of studio classes, iFit sets itself apart from the studio-centric competition with thousands of trainer-led scenic rides in beautiful places all over the world. The engaging trainers provide prompts, commentary, and training tips, helping to keep you motivated and pass the time. Best of all, the bike has an auto-adjust feature that changes the bike's resistance and incline based on the terrain and trainer you're following, allowing you to get completely immersed in the ride. We really came to love the realistic and immersive cycling experience this bike and the iFit app offer, and would recommend it to anyone who doesn't want to feel trapped in a studio. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is RENPHO Auto Resistance Exercise Bike. It isn't exactly a household name in home exercise, but the AI Smart Exercise Bike has a lot to offer at a reasonable price. This bike earned high regard in our budget exercise bike review, but it's more of a value proposition when compared to the higher-end models here. The bike is quite sturdy with 80 levels of smart motor damping magnetic resistance to suit a huge range of exercise intensity. It has a fairly simple interface with a dial to change resistance and a digital display that shows one metric at a time. The bike can be controlled manually, but it is also FTMS Bluetooth enabled, so you can pair it with your tablet or phone to connect to the free AI Gym app. The AI Gym app is relatively bare bones, but it includes a modest selection of fitness tests, classes, and scenic rides, plus the FTMS Bluetooth makes automatic resistance changes when following certain programs. Additionally, through your device, it works with a variety of third-party apps like Zwift, Kinemap, Full Gas, Wahoo System, and more, so you can train using your favorite platform. Unlike the higher-end spin bikes, the RENPHO has a freewheel design to simulate the feel of riding outdoors. This bike is quick and easy to assemble, and it has a relatively small footprint compared to most other models we tested. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Bowflex Indoor Cycling Exercise Bike. It offers a unique at-home cycling experience. This commercial quality spin bike has 100 levels of magnetic resistance suitable for all fitness levels, but it really sets itself apart with its lean feature. It has a locking mechanism that keeps it stationary, and when unlocked, the rider can tip the bike from side to side to simulate a more natural riding motion and follow along with the JRNY app's lean classes. While it may sound a little gimmicky, the lean feature is actually quite effective at working the core and other muscle groups while you ride. The 16-inch touchscreen uses Bluetooth to pair with accessories and Wi-Fi to connect to the JRNY app. JRNY offers a wide range of studio classes, explore the world's scenic rides, and virtual coach programs to choose from, plus it offers the unique ability to stream entertainment from popular services like Netflix, Hulu, and HBO Max, subscriptions required, to watch while you ride. It can't quite match the sheer number of classes on apps like Peloton or iFit, but JRNY provides plenty of variety, loads of off-the-bike workouts, and it costs less than the competition. The VeloCore also works with Peloton and Zwift through your own device, adding even more workout options. We think the VeloCore is an excellent bike that offers something unique with its lean feature, plus the variety of the JRNY app and the ability to stream entertainment and work with third-party apps provides lots of options and broadens its appeal. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.